Welcome to a world of timber technology. Here, you'll witness monstrous machines transforming logs into firewood with lightning speed, and chainsaws so powerful, they're practically beasts. Get ready to be amazed by the sheer power, precision, and innovation in action. The Easton-made 22MB chainsaw firewood processor is a beast of a machine, designed to turn logs into firewood with ease. It's got a powerful 115 horsepower diesel engine, an adjustable splitter head, and a self-feeding chainsaw that can handle logs up to 20 inches in diameter. This bad boy is built for serious firewood production, and it won't let you down. Hey everyone, just a heads up. If any of you are out in the woods chopping down trees and you see something strange or unexpected, like a wild animal, quickly move to safety. Felling trees can be dangerous, and things can go wrong very quickly. Picture this, a home-built wood splitter, a real backyard hero, built to take on those behemoths. It's got this slick double pump system paired with an electric valve package, kinda like automatic transmission for wood splitting. It effortlessly switches gears, 3 tons of force for the small stuff, and a beastly 9 tons for the real heavy hitters. You get to decide the size of the split wood. It's like having your own personalized log splitting workshop right at home. Pure power and precision, all in one. Alright folks, picture this, the Tiger Cat Feller Buncher in action, taking down a soft maple. This beast of a machine is the go-to for precision and power. But don't let the grace fool you, this is serious business. Every move counts, from the perfect grip to the clean cut, ensuring the tree comes down exactly where it's supposed to. Respect the skill, respect the machine, and always keep safety first. This guy's not just cutting trees, he's crafting perfection with every slice. Alright folks, let's talk about the Quadco QB 3500 bar saw on a TimberPro TL755D. This combo is like a power duo in the world of tree felling. The TimberPro TL755D is a powerhouse of a feller buncher, rugged, agile, and built to take on tough terrain. The QB 3500 is a bar saw head, it's incredibly precise, like a surgeon with a scalpel, able to make clean, efficient cuts that save time and reduce tree damage. Whether you're going after small saplings or massive trunks, this bad boy gets it done quickly, keeping the operation smooth and cost-effective. It's got a ton of power. The Doosan DX210W-5 is a powerhouse on wheels. It's known for its smooth operation and stability, thanks to its heavy-duty build and excellent balance. Pair that up with the Kohler P60, and you've got an impressive combo for handling large logs in forestry. The Kohler P60 is a hydraulic processor that's designed for high efficiency in timber handling, making it perfect for cutting, stripping, and even processing timber into more manageable pieces. The Quadco M62 mulcher is like the bulldozer of the mulching world. Imagine a beast that can clear thick brush, tough vegetation, and small trees like it's no big deal. It's built to handle the heavy stuff, with high-powered cutting tools that tear through material and break it down into smaller, manageable pieces. Let's be real, who among us hasn't gone head-to-head with a tree stump that just wouldn't budge? I know the struggle all too well, which is why I'm beyond excited to introduce you to the Ramtech X Tiho. This isn't just a machine, it's your new best friend when it comes to tackling those stubborn stumps. The way it tears through them like they're butter? Absolute magic. Trust me, once you see it in action, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Alright folks, let's talk about the TigerCat 630E skidder. This beast is a workhorse in the forestry world. Imagine a combination of raw strength, cutting-edge tech, and rugged durability, all wrapped up in one machine. Designed for dragging heavy loads of logs from deep in the woods to where they need to go. Powered by a Tier 4F engine. This guy is all about efficiency and reliability. TigerCat's engineering makes sure it runs smoothly even under extreme conditions. Alright folks, let's delve into the Diamond 800 log splitter, the heavyweight champion of log splitting. This beast is like the strongman of the forestry world. This log splitter designed for industrial level log splitting. We're talking power, precision and reliability all wrapped into one rugged machine. It can exert massive splitting force usually in the 20 to 40 ton range. Basically, it looks at a tough log and says, "You're not tough enough." Alright folks, let's talk about the Halverson HWP-140B firewood processor, your new best buddy for turning logs into firewood like an absolute pro. It's an attachment that hooks right up to your skid steer, turning it into a precision firewood processor. You grab a log with its hydraulic grapple, cut it to length with the built-in chainsaw, and then, get this, it splits the pieces into firewood in one smooth motion. It's like having a lumberjack, a sawmill, and a wood splitter all rolled into one tough, compact machine. Picture this, you set your log in place, everything lined up just so. With the lightest tap of your foot on the pedal, bam, clean split, just like that. It's so quick and seamless, it feels like magic. Honestly, I had my doubts at first, but watching it work is like seeing man and machine in perfect harmony. It's not just about splitting wood, it's a whole experience, like a little dance of precision and power. Alright, let's talk about the Growy Bundle Saw 2011. This beast is impressive, no doubt about it. Best buddy, designed to slice through bundles of logs like they're butter on a hot skillet. It's a workhorse, built for efficiency, and it's got the power to keep up with some heavy-duty timber processing tasks. This machine's cutting precision and reliability are top tier. I'd say it could really impressive. This video is a beautiful reminder that sometimes, the most powerful stories can be told without using a single word. We see two men working together to build a beautiful tree cutting. The peaceful background and the way the men work in the video speak volumes about dedication and the beauty of doing something well. The Eschelbach B-Bear 92 paired with the MAN 480 is a dream team, no doubt about it. But what really makes this setup shine is the operator. You can see right away, this guy's got a connection with the machine. He treats it with care, never pushing beyond what it can handle, even with all 480 horses under the hood. That's the sign of a real pro, someone who knows their gear inside and out and respects it enough to keep it performing at its peak. Smooth, steady, and efficient, that's how it's done. The Terramac RT9 logging skidder is like the Swiss Army knife of forestry. Compact, powerful, and ready to tackle rough terrain with ease. This tracked skidder is all about versatility and reliability. It can handle hefty loads of logs, thanks to its robust frame and hydraulic power. This guy is perfect for forestry operations where the terrain is unpredictable and tough. Whether you're skidding logs out of a swampy mess or hauling loads through hilly forests, the Terramac RT9 is like the dependable friend who shows up, rain or shine, ready to get the job done. The Gens Hacker isn't just any chipper, it's a high-capacity shredder that eats through logs, branches, and biomass like it's snacking on chips. It's engineered for precision, creating uniform wood chips ideal for bioenergy production or mulch. This guy is no ordinary tractor, it's a high-performance, four-wheel drive colossus. With a 500 horsepower engine under the hood, this machine doesn't just move, it dominates. The Gens HEM 841Z is like the heavyweight champ of wood chippers, ready to tackle the toughest opponents in the forestry ring. Its large chipping drum can handle logs up to 33 inches in diameter. This beast is a mobile chipper designed to turn massive logs and bulky branches into neatly chipped wood at an insane pace. It's powered by the PTO of a tractor, which means it's both versatile and energy efficient. You bring the tractor, it brings the muscle. Alright folks, let's dive into forestry efficiency, because the Malva 560C Combi isn't just a machine, it's a total game changer. A 2.8 L Cat engine that's Euro 5/Stage 5 compliant, so it's packing power and eco-friendly cred. Up front, you've got a harvester head ready to tackle trees with a 42 centimeters cutting diameter, like it's no big deal. But here's the plot twist, it comes with removable counterweights for added flexibility.
This machine?
Its efficiency, versatility, and muscle all rolled into one.
So, what were your thoughts?
Were you amazed by the incredible size and power of these machines? If so, give this video a thumbs up and let us know which machine you found most impressive. And don't forget to subscribe for more exciting adventures.